Around early May this year, I really felt like my life was collapsing, to a point that it made me wonder how was I going to pick up the pieces again. It was the epitome of the saying, when it rains, it pours. Everything was happening at the same time. I found out my little one has to undergo a throat and ear operation in the coming weeks because her large tonsils are causing her breathing difficulties. Then a few days later, my grandmother passes away. Then the very next day was my daughter's 5th birthday, and I was really trying to grieve and be happy at the same time. It was personally a really crazy, odd situation I've never experienced before. Some days later, I got retrenched from my job, and on that same day, my landlady barges into my apartment in a hysterical way, telling me that workers are coming soon to check my toilet because there is a massive flood in her apartment downstairs and her walls are starting to have mold. Long story short, basically she's telling me that my entire bathtub will be removed soon and I won't have a place to shower for several weeks. On that same week, my Instagram account got hacked and the hacker tried to blackmail me for money. All these things that happened are just the major events which I am sharing. There were several other not so nice moments and events that happened in between that just really rubbed the already opened wound even more. Even as I am saying it, it sounds so unreal. So trust me when I say I'm really sorry to hear if you're going through a tough time right now and you're feeling like everything is falling apart. I can truly empathize. As of the filming of this video, I've got a new amazing job which I'm gonna be starting real soon. I've made peace with the passing of my beloved grandma. I got my Instagram account back successfully without paying a cent. My daughter's surgery is coming soon, but her difficulty in breathing is under control. And the massive work in my toilet is thankfully completed. As you can see, no matter the challenges, I'm still here. I'm still standing, and so can you. You will get through this phase. Here are 7 strategies which helped me get through it all, and I sincerely hope it helps you too to pick up the pieces in life and to move forward. First of all, allow yourself to grieve. It's okay to feel overwhelmed, sad, or angry about your current situation. Give yourself permission to experience these emotions and understand that they are a natural part of the healing process. 2. Seek support. Reach out to trusted friends, family members, or a support group who can provide emotional support and understanding. Alternatively, consider talking to a therapist or counselor, as they can also be beneficial in navigating difficult emotions and to develop coping strategies. Thirdly, take care of yourself. Make self-care a priority during this challenging time. Ensure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial for building resilience. 4. Break it down into realistic goals. It may feel overwhelming to think about fixing everything at once. Instead, break down your challenges into smaller, manageable, and achievable tasks. Focus on one thing at a time, prioritize, and do your best to tackle them step by step. 5. Celebrate small wins. Celebrate each accomplishment, no matter how small it may seem. Doing this can help you slowly regain confidence in yourself and rebuild hope in life. For me personally, during this really challenging time, what I was really happy to celebrate was the fact that there were so many clients just concurrently wanting to work with me. They were coming from different parts of the world, and I had so many clients, more than I could handle, that I had to even reject some of them. And this was really something to celebrate, despite the challenges that was going on in other areas of my life. 6. Focus on personal growth. Use this time to reflect on yourself and your life. Explore your interests, learn new skills, or take up a hobby that brings you fulfillment. This can help shift your perspective and open doors to new opportunities. Lastly, the most important strategy of all, practice gratitude. I really get it. During the most toughest of times, it's not easy to practice gratitude, but according to Dr. Robert Emmons, a professor from the University of California, by being more grateful for what we do have, we can increase our happiness by 25%, and I truly concur. Some ways that I practiced gratitude was by being really grateful for all the clients that wanted to do career coaching, business coaching, or life coaching with me, by helping a blind lady across the road, giving away more things to the poor, donating more money to charity, taking time to just be a trusted listening ear to others, giving thanks to my family for being there for me, and giving thanks to God every day for the little things. Find the ways that are doable and that feels the most comfortable for you and start practicing gratitude. As you start to shift your focus onto the positive things in life, fill your heart with gratitude and spread kindness onto others, so will your life be blessed with positive blessings and more in good time. Remember, healing and rebuilding takes time. It's okay to have setbacks and to feel discouraged along the way. So do be patient with yourself and keep moving forward one step at a time.